Hey, this is Math Minutes Pro with Dr. Harrison. Today we're going to deal with unit conversions, and we're going to use the proportion and cross product strategy to convert one unit to another. In this case, we are converting liters to gallons. And remember, we're going to set up a proportion and use the cross product strategy. So before we write the proportion, I think the best thing to do is start with identifying the unit rate, okay, that relates liters to gallons. So we have that unit rate. It's right here. So we have 1 liter is equal to 0.26 gallons. We write that as a ratio or a fraction, okay? So let me just do this so we'll make it clear. Now that we have identified our unit rate that relates liters to gallons, then we set up the proportion right here. So we write 1 liter over 0.26 gallons equals, all right, 2.5 liters over X. For gallons. All right, now just notice that we have liters to gallons and liters to gallons. That's how you know what to put in the numerator and the denominator. Since we started off with liters in the numerator, we were going to have liters in the numerator over here. So we use our cross product strategy, right? We simply multiply 1 liter times X gallons, or 1 times X, and that's what we have here. The 1 is there, it's just invisible, as my daughter would say, all right? And then, so that's what that line means right here. Multiply this times this. Then we have the line here. This is the cross product strategy that's happening right here, illustrated. 0.26 times 2.5. We write 0.26 times 2.5. So we bring down the X, bring down the equal sign. When you multiply these two decimals, X is equal to 0.65. So then I write our answer in here, 0.65, okay? All right, very good. So what this means is 2.5 liters equals 0.65 gallons. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Patreon page on my video description below. On my Patreon page, you can get access to exclusive math lessons, study tips, live Q&A, and more. See you next time.